how to fix unstable connection, try a new location problem on WhatsApp. So if you want to fix unstable connection, try a new location problem on your WhatsApp, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your settings. After opening your settings, you need to just scroll down a bit and then you'll find the apps option. Tap on apps, tap on manage apps. Once you tap on manage apps, you need to go with search, and here you need to search for WhatsApp. Once you've searched for WhatsApp, just tap on it and then you'll find an option of force stop, which will be on the bottom. On the bottom left, you will have force stop. So just simply go and tap on force stop and tap on OK, which will be on the bottom. And after force stopping, you need to go back and open up your Play Store. After opening your Play Store, you need to just go with search, and under search, you need to search for WhatsApp. After searching for your WhatsApp, if you have any updates on your WhatsApp Messenger, just simply go and update it. And after updating, your problem might be fixed. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.